Hello everybody and welcome back to Payday 2, or welcome to Payday 2, if you haven't ever played it before. Essentially the goal of Payday 2 is you are the Payday gang, which is a crew of robbers, and you just go rob diamonds.
Scout the place and hit them hard. Get those jewels and keep the Sims at bay. Let's get rich.
Down in the dirt.
Stay down.
Sorry about that. I'm a little
Stay
jittery.
quiet and you will live.
Strung out like
Don't move. Stay where you are.
Stay frosty and get ready.
Come on. Come on.
Don't move. Just stay where you are.
20 seconds. Cops closing in.
Don't move. Just stay where you are. Don't move.
There's an extraction team coming for the civilians. Stay sharp.
I don't know, I'll fix that later. Fusion fan left. Okay, let's do that, just join it.
Don't move. Don't
Stay
move.
down.
Fucking stay down.
I love this soundtrack I'm about to play, dude. So I have it selected.
Stay down. Don't move. Don't move. Stay down.
Time to force us. Turret is en route.
No, I got cloaked! I got cloaked! Help me! Appreciate it.
Gracias.
Stay down.
So those cloakers immediately? Well, difficulty. I imagine it's not that hard. That dude just takes it. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, that's not bad.
Shield ain't the promo. He's dead.
Oh, I'm getting raped. Our ride is in here though. Oh, we got it all. We just need our ride to get here. I almost hit it close though. Bro, I'm out of ammo. I'm retarded.
Hey, I got a medic bag here.
Let me make sure even
Have to restart it.
this is open.
All right, guys. Get the bags to the van. Great. Keep them coming.
Bro.
Medic bag now, por favor. Fuck you, you coward shield.
Alright.
Get me medic bag now.
forgot I had Inspire. I honestly completely forgot about that. I could have saved myself so many times. I've only got so much ammo. I gotta get out there. Come on. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it, boy. Dude. It don't matter. He's in the car. Honestly, just about all that matters. Remember to throw the bag before we leave. I don't think voice really works. Dude, if dude's about to pick up another... Oh no, he's just getting ammo. I'm about to say, you better not be running to pick up. Oh, he's back up. Diamonds! We out. Alright, that was incredible. Well, now we're a man down. Well, that's another thing about Payday 2. But it's like $1 on Steam most of the time, so honestly, it's probably, like, honestly, I feel like you should buy it. If it's like the summer sale or something. Like, if it's a summer sale and you have the money, which is $1. But, like, if you don't got $1 to spare, that's alright. Well, we got him up there, so I should be able to just cook in peace. Get out of my house! I'm cooking! I'm cooking out here! What you doing? I'm cooking out here! Ooh! Dude blows up our lab. Because you need to wait and, like, I don't know. There might be certain lines that I'm, like, healed back out of and certain lines he won't back out of. But how I learned to do it is I just wait till he has the second line. Because he always has, like, either, yeah, that's the right thing, or it's like, no, it's this instead.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, well, you know what? That's all on us. Well, that's all on you. Sure that, yeah, you good on ammo? Or did you kill? Alright. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride.
Jesus down. Let's go. Get up quick.
Good. Okay, the reaction seems fine. Keep going.
Promise me I'm good at cooking. Cook plenty of times. Great cook. So we don't like my reviews on Yelp. I'm surprised that our dude has lasted so long. Alright, I don't got any. Okay, I can go on. Oh, I can.
You just gave me a few more gray hairs. Now get to work. You don't have all day.
Alright, as soon as muriatic acid, and then I gotta make the run outside. What? There's guns! Oh, there's somebody. Oh no, it's like some police truck on the other side of that fence. That's what was going on. Somebody shooting a big gun. Oh no, it's that sentry on the desk. I didn't see that.
Incoming from the lumber mill. Stay under toast.
That
Come on, get up!
Brown music for Payday. Might be. Alright, next stop is probably the basement for Fauna.
The blocker is down!
And our dude's probably about to die. Oh wait, what? Dude's taking a police onslaught. Alright, we got him.
Be careful. They have snipers incoming.
Alright. Tell me what to cook. Alright.
Next,
Muriatic acid.
I'm 93% sure. Okay, good.
Alright, now it's just hydrochloric acid. As you can see, don't use ammo, please. I'll try not to, man, but again. No, I only have my bag. Alright. Caustic soda. Or whatever. It's right. Muriatic acid.
The process is done. Bag it up
Bag
and
it
let's
up.
do another round.
Does it show how many ammo you have? Double timing.
Now we need, it's
Double time it.
soda. I'm 91% sure. That's one. They're coming from the lumber mill. Watch
Hopefully
out.
somebody else can
Okay,
manage.
got a breather. Jeez. Good work.
Just hang on.
How does nobody else know? Ignoring that. I have a feeling he said hydrochloric acid, so I do not want to call it. And then blah blah. Hello and thank you that you watched to the end of the video. And today I've got some big news. Today, or actually the release is Tuesday. Tuesday I'm releasing a Rust server. And I know you haven't really seen me play Rust, but I really enjoy the game, and I'm hoping that some of you who are watching like Rust and are willing to join the Discord server and join the Rust server. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and good night.